Welcome to Cooking with Bobby Joe. Bobby Joe's mom here with another drool-worthy human treat. Bobby Joe is outside playing in the pool today. She's been joining me in the kitchen for the dog treat videos. So for this recipe you need whatever veggies you have on hand. I used 1 zucchini, 1 Vidalia onion, 2 red tomatoes, and 1 yellow tomato. Oh, let me tell y'all what happened to my tomato vines. I went out to water them yesterday and noticed 2 of my vines had been eaten by something. All that was left was the stalk. After investigating, I noticed deer poop around my garden. So I took some wire fence and put around the 2 vines I have left, and hopefully that will keep the deer away. But I am thankful for family and friends that have been keeping me supplied with fresh veggies from their gardens. Okay, back to the recipe. You also need smoked sausage. I use Savannah Sausage Company brand Vidalia Onion and Uncured bacon flavor. If you've never tried Savannah Sausage Company, you should give it a try. It is delicious. A half a stick of butter, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 pound of shrimp, and Old Bay seasoning. You want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Melt the butter and garlic powder together over medium heat. Slice the veggies up and line them in the middle of the baking dish. If you're on a strict low-carb diet, stick with the veggies with the lowest carbs. I believe the highest carb veggie in my dish is the Vidalia onion. Rinse 1 pound of shrimp, put it down on one side of the veggies. Then you slice your sausage and you put that down on the other side of the veggies. Savannah Sausage Company comes 3 sausages to a pack, and I sliced up 2 for this recipe. Then sprinkle the shrimp with Old Bay seasoning. Then you take your melted garlic butter and pour over everything. Cover with aluminum foil and bake for about 25 minutes. You pull it out of the oven and you can sprinkle it with mozzarella cheese or Parmesan cheese if you like. And then you just share it with all your human friends. This is a simple, tasty recipe. So thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to leave a comment to let us know you stopped by, and also check out Bobby Joe's Facebook page where we post updates not seen here. If you want to be updated when new videos are posted, click that subscribe button. If you try this, let me know how it turned out. You can always post a photo on Bobby Joe's Facebook page, or you can leave a comment here. Hope y'all have a blessed rest of your week. Bye for now.